Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your Schuberth C5 Bluetooth system. First, ensure your helmet and communication unit are fully charged. This prevents interruptions during the setup process. Next, take a moment to identify the main control unit and its various buttons. Understanding these components is crucial for a smooth and successful connection. We will guide you through each step, making the process straightforward and easy to follow. Now, let's pair your Schuberth C5 with your preferred device, like a smartphone or GPS. Begin by activating the Bluetooth pairing mode on your helmet's communication system, usually by holding down a specific button for a few seconds. Simultaneously, enable Bluetooth on your external device. You should then see the Schuberth C5 appear in the list of available devices. Select it to establish the connection, and you are ready to go. For group rides, connecting with other riders is simple. To set up an intercom, activate the intercom pairing mode on your Schuberth C5. Your system can connect with up to 4 other riders, allowing for clear, continuous communication. The advanced mesh communication system ensures seamless conversations, even if one rider temporarily drops out of range. This feature enhances safety and enjoyment on every journey, keeping your group connected effortlessly. Beyond basic communication, your Schuberth C5 offers exciting advanced features. Enjoy music sharing, precise GPS navigation, and convenient voice commands for hands-free control. If you ever encounter connection issues, a factory reset can often resolve them, restoring default settings. Remember to regularly update your system's firmware to access the latest features and ensure optimal performance, keeping your riding experience smooth and enjoyable.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.